What's going on, guys? We have a different type of video that we're shooting today. Oh. I don't know if you guys can hear that. So yeah, the garbage disposal is not working. This happens probably once a month. It's not using it right. So I'm gonna show you what I have to do once a month to unclog this thing. So here we go. They coming with their dad to get some dirt. Say get some dirt.
Get some dirt.
Nigga here say get some dirt.
Get some dirt.
Some dirt. So first of all, what I do, I use gloves, because this is nasty to me. Y'all probably don't know, but I'm a flashlight guy. So I have 2 flashlights that I keep here from the shop. I actually have more than that, but these are the 2 to stay here. I can use these under the sink for lives. I use the light for lives. Y'all seen that on my birthday. Yeah, so we got that. And now you also need a hammer for my setup and a bucket to catch all this stuff that's coming out of here. So let me clear out some of this stuff up under the sink and we'll get started. So I usually like to get this bucket, place it like so I can undo these pipes, catch anything that's flowing. So I have to undo this, undo these pipes, and then take the garbage disposal down and clear it of any debris. And I usually hit it with a hammer on here, but first we're gonna take these pipes apart. So this is a situation, like I said, utilizing my lights. Bang, bang. So yeah, that's why I just throw these things in anywhere. Matter of fact, I was up under here, and last month when I cleaned this, I finally found my other light. All right, so here we go. Oh, get my gloves. So undo this guy. It's the trap, that's what they call it. You see it oozing. All right, so this is where the garbage disposal go. So it's usually clogged up inside of here. Oh. This is what I talk about, guys. So rule of thumb, while you're using the garbage disposal, you want to, when you're adding stuff to it, you want to use it. You don't want to fill it up and then turn it on, because this is what happens when you wait and turn it on. So that's clogged. And disclaimer here, no, I didn't turn the power off, but the switch is off. So now I'm gonna take it off of here. So just a different angle real quick. So now that I got the garbage disposal down, I usually take this rubber ring off. See how nasty that is? And clean out whatever. That's why another reason you wear gloves. Whatever's stopping this thing from turning. And I can turn it with my hand now. Still some nasty food in there. It appears to be free. So once you're able to do that, then you can reinstall everything. This gasket back on. So now we'll try to go ahead and get the garbage disposal back in place. As y'all seen, these pipes pretty much purged they self when I unhook them. Usually I have to force them to come clean. Sorry about that. And no, it's not the prettiest thing, but then I have to get down here and wipe off all this excess. Get this trap back on here. Get this out the way. All right, let's see how she do. She's a little more noisier, but she's getting old, but it's done. So now I can put all this stuff back up under the sink. And I know my next video was supposed to be about, I go in my little stash, man, about what I'm growing for the grow off. I have no idea still. I do plan on participating. Some of the seeds I have already just in the stash. I do have some seeds, some turf I bought from the Flipside Marketplace before he got on that plane. But I gotta go through this stuff, guys. I have no idea. I need to get organized too. I mean, look at that. I have no idea. Okra. I have no idea what I'm growing for this grow off. Sorry for the pause, guys, but looking at this. But I'm not sure. So we'll figure it out. I'll do an official video. Put my stash back up. Put my stuff back in my stash. This lighting probably horrible. But I will do an official video as soon as I figure out exactly what I'm growing. And other than that, that's how you unclog a garbage disposal. And that was technically some dirt, so I guess I got it. So later, guys.